You know what? I just realized that I have not reacted to Macky2's music ever since he went political. I thought the man had hang his musician suit and now he's pursuing um public office. Anyway, I am here reacting to Macky2 song. I'm excited for this one because it's been a minute. Like I said, the Glorious Band. The Glorious Band featuring Macky2 featuring the Glorious Band. WINSULA. Anyway, let's get to it. If you're here for the first time, then I'm going to Mankala Kuno ku USA Koma Di Macho Gera ku Botswana. Muli Branja ina Muli Branj ina de Bueno Paliba Futo. Right, let's get to the song, man. Macky2.
Let's go. Even more. You're not ready for this.
Ooh.
Dopest, freshest, glorious band.
I thought it was like a traditional song in the beginning. Okay, what a twist.
Let's go.
What kind of music is this, man? Yo, I think I have to like let my people know, those people that don't understand what is going on here. So Macky2 is this legendary artist, right, from Zambia, and he does this with this features with people because he already has the spotlight. He brings people to the spotlight with it. I think that's why he maybe the people encourage him to like, you know what, you're already doing a good job. Why don't you just join the political thing so you can help the entire country at the same time? And I do hope that it's going to be like all of those good politicians. But you know, as we already know, politics can trick you sometimes. So what you are witnessing here is
unasiya maskwati so buti tapali busheni wembuya lyose muchitenge bana chimbuso yubwela ni mutenge lukatide weda chule yourself go okenilisa wabwele pona ngura njare lyose kukusanga muri chidangale fyose natemone walile kakaleta wisunga bwino ati wali upakale katwatitula ndeko ninkondo atili body shaming ishomi pondo okempia mipela mutwala kwi katwamipusha po mutila.
The producer was going crazy. It's like this song has so many songs in it when it comes to like the beats and the instruments that has been put in here. I don't know. Yeah. I hear all the things. Okay, I'm listening to everything in this song. It's like we have the Alma piano elements. We do have that Zambian dance hallish kind of music, and then we do have like some cultural elements in there. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, man. Big up to the videographers as well. Big up to the videographers. A round of applause as well to the producer of the music, man. You guys are doing a wonderful job, and I do hope that we appreciate you. Anyway.
The time when you used to go low, you were the most beautiful thing that I saw. Gorgeous concept from head to toe. Forward and up and go and make us so.
Why is it like Macky2 is talking to his wife, man? I mean, there was a video that was trending Anyway, I'm not gonna mention that because I don't want to get myself in trouble. Macky2 is married, right? And yeah, if you know the video, you know the video. I think he was playing when he said those words to his wife, but you know, you never know. But this song,
the woman I fell in love with, don't tears over. I know I can mukati somewhere. What happened to you, mommy? Pull up it, go to Kuala, go to Tambo. We have difficulty. Asakona kando takala pwaji se boring in mommy. Ezokala kopaka morning in mommy. How did we get here? In Kalila ko wesi free. Hello, we the peshana bana besu. Wadile kelesha monotonous. We tila.
hey. Okay, from what I can understand is that, you know, Macky2, his verses keep saying, like, you know, what happened to you? You kind of let yourself go. Yeah, it happens a lot. I feel like this could be my wife talking to me right now because, yeah, I'm big. If you can see the photos of me 7 years ago and now, you will know I have kind of let myself go. Maybe I should get on that. Anyway, I get to have me feeling bad.
I still love you, I do. Chashine, but love it, the feeling it's having a choice. Effort ya kumfwevin in the noise. Love ni care na commitment, especially shishi kusha internet. Pa wedding idena tilesha kagushe. Paka fiena vana tuka kushe. Fida fine paka nefwa. Pati dizi jezi timu tocha likula. Kuwalenga kusena yampo kupula. Tei wewe kananena liluwa. Nidi sana kushitile pa maluwa. Nidi sana kwebele poli kasuma. You shine my light in my music kasuwa. Forgive me. I guess both of us can do better like
I don't understand why artists like Macky2 are not like global sensation. I don't get it. I do not get it, man. Like, I don't understand.
Rest in peace, Jonathan General.
Hey,
let the music speak.
what?
Yeah. Memory of some of the greatest to ever do this. Jonathan Chives, Alan and Mbiang, the glorious band. Your music will always live on through us. Rest in peace.
Yo, the song is man, my goodness, that's a beautiful song. I haven't had that anyway. That is a beautiful song, and to think that I haven't had any song from Macky2, I think that's the beginning of this year or the end of last year. This is a beautiful song from Macky2, man, and to think it's dedicated to someone as well. So yeah, rest in peace, Jonathan. For real, like,
so buti tapali busheni wembuya lyose muchitenge bana chimbuso yubwela ni mutenge look at the way that you letting yourself go.
It's like the song, the beats are like a remix to like 1,000 songs. It's so beautiful. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, man. If you are here for the first time, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And if you don't know who Macky2 is, and you call yourself African?
Okay, nilisa wapwele pona ngura njare lyonse kukusanga
See,
muri
that's
chidangale
another
fyose natemone walile kakale tawisunga bwino ati wadi upwakale ngatwatitula ndeko ninkondo ati ni body shaming isho mikondo okay mpia mipela mutwala queen
The producer was going crazy on this one. Hey. Like what kind of this is crazy.